Hello everybody, it is Shifu Don and this is video number 2 in our stage 1 Tai Chi online training. Now we're going to do a little bit more studying. I know this doesn't seem like much Tai Chi training, but it is. That first video and now this second video are very important videos in your training. Okay, so we're going to jump over onto newlifetaichi.com and check out this blog post that I did about Tai Chi words you should know. This is going to help you when you're watching the rest of the videos and you hear me say a specific word. This will help you know what the word is. Okay, so hop over here and familiarize yourself with these words. And if you come across a word that's not on this list and you would like me to add it, be sure to use this contact button right up here and send it over to me and I'll add it to the list. Okay, so now the next thing, this is just additional, okay, just some additional. You may want to check out some Tai Chi history. Okay, so click this one and we'll take you over and go over some Tai Chi history. And then the other one that's some additional information for you is, what does traditional Chinese medicine say about Qi? So this is another one that is quite interesting that you can give a read. So this is again a short training video, just getting you geared up to start doing the physical Tai Chi training. Okay, so the links to these will be down in the description below. And again, oh, don't forget, join our Discord channel if you're not a member of that Discord channel already, and if you're not a member of our online training, our online Tai Chi training, go ahead and get signed up for that as well. What you'll do for that, to join our free, for right now, just click on the contact button right here, contact me, and tell me you want to sign up for our free stage 1 Tai Chi training program. Again, just use this contact form that's right here. Just fill that in and let me know you want to join and I'll get you set up. You'll just get an email back after I get you set up. That's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe. Have yourself a blessed day.